So these are the things that I made with the salt dough last week, and when I took my candle, the Diwali candle out, it broke. So I just fixed it, as you can see, with a bit more glue. And now time for painting it. Yay! I love painting a lot. Yeah! And now I'm going to square. Make some blue and red to make purple.
That's okay.
Red and yellow. Red, yellow and blue are the primary colours, but I'm only mixing 2 of the primary colours that are blue and red outside here. And then white. I need some white. Yay! Shake. And then go to mix. Wow, it's making like a lively colour. Wow. I'm going to add a bit more red to it. And look, if you zoom in, let's zoom in to see much more. Make some pink. Next time I'm pink. The little gems. Then we're going to wait for this to dry. See you next time on day 3.